Stop dreaming about opening a restaurant and start planning. Between that initial spark and a packed house on opening night, there's a gauntlet of decisions, permits, and pitfalls that can make or break you. Keep watching to learn the 10 essential steps to opening a restaurant. With over 1 million restaurants in the United States, your concept needs to stand out. Consider what's missing in your area and define your cuisine, service style, and values. Not sure if your idea will work? Test it first as a pop-up or food truck to build a loyal customer base. This is your roadmap and your key to securing funding. Include your executive summary, market analysis, marketing strategy, operations plan, and detailed financial projections. Take time with this step. A solid business plan can take weeks to develop. Opening a restaurant requires significant capital. Consider multiple funding sources: traditional bank loans, equipment financing, crowdfunding, or working capital loans. Remember to budget for 6 to 12 months of operating costs before you can expect to reach break-even. Research demographics, foot traffic, and competition. Your space must match your concept, whether you're building from scratch, buying, or leasing. Study the site's history, including why previous restaurants may have failed there. The necessary licenses and permits to operate a restaurant differ by city, county, and state, so it's important to check with your lawyer and local government about requirements. Here are some examples: business license and EIN, health permits, food service establishment license, certificate of occupancy, and if applicable, a liquor license. Your menu should reflect your concept while being profitable. Consider food costs, pricing strategy, and how to differentiate your offerings from competitors. Test and refine your menu items before opening. Your staff are extensions of your brand. Focus on creating competitive compensation packages, developing clear training programs, establishing growth opportunities, building a positive workplace culture. Today's restaurants need a cloud-based point-of-sale system, kitchen display screens, online ordering capabilities, inventory management software, scheduling and payroll solutions. New restaurants need more than word of mouth. Develop a comprehensive marketing plan across multiple channels. Social media presence, email marketing, local advertising, community engagement. Start with a soft opening for friends and family to test operations and work out issues. Then host a grand opening to introduce your restaurant to the public with excitement and momentum. Ready to start your restaurant journey? Download our free restaurant business plan template in the description below.